I know many of you have not tried to short switch, and neither have I. This is my first application. And replacing the OEM contactor, as you can see here, you could see the metal shunt bar between line 1, and then you could see the piece of brass that goes all the way through. There is no contactor there. That does not get switched. There is only one contactor on one side on line 2, and that's it. And I may have said that wrong. Then when you come over to the short switch and you look at it, you can see where I have line 1 going in right here, and I may have said that wrong. Let me go back to the switch. There we go. Line in. Now this was the sticker, and you could see they have a shunt going straight across, going line in to line out. There's no contacting point there. You could see in their wiring diagram they have only one contacting point, one switch right there. There's line 2, it goes across the switch, then comes out. If you go to their schematic, and you could look on their schematic, and you could see line 1 coming in, and you could see it's a straight shunt going around, and then you can see line 2, and I hope I got that right, and I don't have my reading glasses on, sorry, and it comes out. So this is only one single pole right there, and then I just have to figure out how to make sure everything fits inside here. But I really hope I don't regret this. I hope it works, because what I normally would do is hit the internet, look up a contactor instead of this little 30 amp or 40 amp piece of shit. 30 amp, I would go and get something like a 60 amp or make one and get something with a higher duty cycle rating, heat rating and all that. Pay 5 times more and make sure it never fails for the rest of the life of this unit. So first time application for me, and this is going to be a trial pair, a test.